Hello mga kabibig! Welcome back sa Dimbagong YouTube channel. Ito ang pinakamaingay na YouTuber sa balat na YouTube. Ako si Kabibig, maglabag-labag na ta with evidence. Ako po, may mga bagong revelasyon sa Senator Alan Peter Cayetano na kung saan nakulong sila doon at gustong malaman ng mga ito ha. Kasi mga kabibig, may sinabi si Senator Alan Peter Cayetano na may nag-tip sa kanila 4 na senador na kailangan na nilang umalis sa Senado, na may masamang mangyari sa Senado. May nag-tip ha? May nag-tip sa kanila, umalis na kayo dito, umalis na kayo dyan, kasi may masamang mangyari sa Senado. Hindi sila makaalis just because they're doing their job na kung saan ay naghihintay sila sa transmittal ng articles of impeachment ni BP Sara. Tapos, baka itong 4 na senador ay bigla nang umalis at naiwan na lang yung mga ilang senador, mostly majority black na mga senador sa loob ng Senado at doon sila nakulong. Sa panahon na may nagkaputsuk-putsukan, doon na sila sa loob ng Senado nakulong. Oh, tell me mga kabibig, sino sa mga senador ang hindi nyo na nakita ngayong ligtas na ang mga senador nakulong sa Senado? Comment down below. Basta nakita ko ang majority black nandun. I don't know kung meron bang minority na naiwan mga kabibig. Basta ang sabi ni Senator Alan Peter Cayetano, may 4 na senador na nagbigay ng tip. Tapos may mga staff daw na nagbigay ng tip na dapat umalis na sila doon. Oh, eto kabibig, ito yung sinabi ni Senator Alan Peter Cayetano. Baka sabihin nyo naman gawa-gawa kong issue na ito. Hindi kabibig, ito ang kayang sinabi na kung saan nagtanong ang mga tao, sino ba yung 4 na senador na yan? At bakit parang alam nila ang mangyayari sa loob ng Senado? Hala ka! Dapat paimbestigahan ni Senator Alan Peter Cayetano kung saan galing ng mga senador na ito, itong tip na ito. Bakit sinong nagbigay ng tip sa kanila? 'Di ba? Ito kabibig.
Okay, so si Senator Loren at si Senator Pia finally got in touch with the NBI director. So they're here in the room. We have to turn off the lights dahil may putukan na nangyayari. Si Senator Pia and si Senator Loren called the NBI director. He said wala daw sila dito dahil pinaalis daw nila dito. So he said, please find out what's happening kasi nagpuputukan. Sabi niya walang magagawa kasi pinaalis. And then he started saying, wag kami magtaas ng boses. What will you do, Director, kung may putukan na at lahat ng staff mo at yung mga usaan mo naka-vest na lahat and hindi malaman mangyayari? What would you do? Hindi ba dapat ang sagot mo, ma'am, sir, I'll go there, I'll make sure you'll help.
That's what I was expecting him to say. When Senator Loren was talking to him very calmly, I said, what are you gonna do about this? Pinuputukan kami dito. Sabi niya, hindi kami makalapit, pinalis niyo kami dyan. Sabi ko, well, then do your job. Make us safe. This is not good. Ma'am, huwag mo ako sigawan. Yun lang ang masasabi mo sa akin. Pinuputukan kami, sasabihin mo sa akin, huwag kitang sigawan. Sumisigaw ako dahil mataas ang emotion.
So, I'll give everyone context. 4 senators got tips 30 minutes ago while we were talking na umalis na dito kasi may mangyayari. So, yung isa kapwa senador, yung iba kung sino-sino nagsabi. So, the emotions are high here because bakit kami paalisin? We're waiting for the articles of impeachment.
Again.
And we're having kapwa senador, yung iba kung sino-sino nagsabi. Got tips 30 minutes.
Mo sa akin, huwag kitang
Again,
sigawan.
binalik mo na lang.
Mataas ang emotion.
So, I'll give everyone context. 4 senators got tips 30 minutes ago while we were talking na umalis na dito kasi may mangyayari.
Ooh.
So, yung isa kapwa senador, yung iba kung sino-sino nagsabi. So, the emotions are high here because bakit kami paalisin? We're waiting for the articles of impeachment and we're having a meeting. Nasabi lang dadating na. So, again, no? Kung sino nakikinig from the government, this is the Senate of the Philippines. We are allegedly under attack. The Sergeant of Arms has confirmed na may putukan na dito. So please, kung sinong nanonood, sinong nakikinig, we expect yung tawagan namin would understand the emotions here and will say we'll do something about it. No? So the rest, mga nasa Senate, turn off the lights, stay low. Kung may active shooters, follow.
Yun, Kabibig. At ito naman ang latest news. Ang tanong, sino? Sino ang apat na senador? Ito na ang latest, Kabibig, ha? Hindi tayo.
Good evening, everyone. First and foremost, salamat sa Diyos, salamat sa prayers nyo. So far, everyone is safe. So far, walang balita po na anyone got hurt from the gunshot. So let me update you. First of all, kalma muna lahat. Kanina po, I was forced to manawagan through the Facebook because there's no other means of communication. Even now, I want to be in front of the Senate media, pero sinesecure pa yung ibang areas and I think they're downstairs. So, Secretary Remulla of SILG, of the DILG is here. General Aberin of the NCRPO are here. Secretary Teodoro called us and President Marcos called us,
Tumawag si
assuring us
Bongbong.
it wasn't government and kinakamusta kung ano takbo ng mga kung kamusta, kung nandito na si Sec John Vic and to make sure the investigation is independent. So I'm just talking to everyone to tell you, one, thank you sa inyong prayers. Two, we're here. Most of the majority senators are here. Senator Bato, doon sa
Majority.
nagtanong, Julbert Urbista, si Sen Bato is secured, he's okay. Aakyatin namin ni Sec Remulla, hindi siya arestuhin. Ngayon, they will respect the Supreme Court's decision of giving 3 days each na mag-comment. No? So, anyone who has information of what happened, anyone na nakakita dun sa mga nag-attempt pumasok at yung mga bumaril pabalik dito, please send us that information. Napaka-importante that the truth comes out and napaka-importante we don't jump into conclusions. I told you, everyone, dumating yung articles of impeachment. We don't want any speculation that this has any connection with anything, whether it's the Senate majority, whether it's the articles of impeachment, politics, personal dito, but this is the first time na nakaramdam ng ganito ang Senado, no? So we will report back through the media when we have time, but we're okay po. So sa lahat po na nagtatanong, no? But we will start the investigation. We will let people leave when we're sure they're not suspects and when everyone's safe. But right now po, akyatin muna ng Senator Bato to make sure he's okay.
Ito naman ang assessment. Ito ang tanong ni Senator Amy Marcos. Sino ba ang nag-utos na lubusin ang Senado? Ito, Senator Aminarte.
Andito kami at yung karamihan ng mga senador nagsiakyatan para bisitahin si Bato kung okay pa rin siya. Dahil kami nagtataka at nagdatingan yung mga opisyal na kada isa, kanina, hindi sumasagot sa amin. Denied to death sila. Sabi nila lahat na talagang wala silang kinalaman. Nag-umpisa sa ating PNP. Dumating si John Vic Remulla, wala rin siyang kinalaman. Ganon din ang NBI, Dedma rin. Lahat sila walang alam pero putukan tuloy-tuloy. Ganon din, kinausap pa si Presidente Bongbong, si BBM. Sabi din, hindi naman daw niya utos yun. Ba't daw nagkaganon? Andito pa kami. Kanina pa kami narito. Pero talagang walang umaamin, walang may alam, lahat sila gulatan. Hindi ko maintindihan. Nako, nagkakaputukan na dito sa inyong Senado, amoy usok na sa lahat ng sulok, hindi namin mahanap ang aming mga kapwa senador at hindi kami makapaglabasan. Ay, eto, ang sabi nila, talagang denied to death. Pero, ang sabi ng NBI agents, inutusan daw sila personally and directly ni BBM. Arrest Bato at all costs, kahit sino pa ang mamatay, kahit sino pa ang madali, basta pasukuin si Bato. Ngayon din. Kaya't di na namin maintindihan ano ba totoo. Mukhang wala namang nag-utos nito. Bakit nagkaroon ng Senate siege? At
Hala.
lahat sila nagtatanggi. DILG, hindi.
What's the for that? How many shots were fired? I think the briefing.
Fireworks.
We thought it was fireworks. And what's the for that?
Kanina.
Okay, let me get to the bottom of it. Everybody's here. Okay,
Half are in the other room.
okay, let me get to that first. The president wants to speak. So, I will, one thing lang. So Vince called, said the same thing, and I said, Vince, I believe you. You're my friend, I believe you. But he was saying it might be an inside whatever job. I won't think, sabi ko lang, Vince, independent investigation, yes. But I just wanted to know, when we were meeting 2 hours ago, there were some staff pulling out, and a staff here, umiikot kasi. They told our other staff and other senators, pull out may mangyayari. And even our deputy secretary, will tell you who she is,
Alo.
she got the same text, and she told yung kausap niya na I can't leave, we're waiting for the articles of impeachment. So I mean, if it was an inside job from our side, from the 13, we wouldn't have been receiving. Just to make it. Yeah, we'll forget about it. I don't have what you have to know is that there is another entrance in this building. Yes. And we were drilling holes from there. Yes. So, and I told Vince, anyway, I told Vince, if it was from us, si Mao reported to me, they're inspecting even senators from administrator na yes. They're inisa-isa na lang. So this all happened, and sinabi kay Mao, call the administrator, I'll come and talk to him and ask why is it then it all happened. Okay. Kanina,
Yun ang nangyari. Grabe. Shocking revelation. Yung sinabi ni Senator Amy Marcos ba? Sabi daw doon, di umano ng mga NBI agent na si BBM daw ang nag-utos na kailangan talagang makuha si Bato. Halaka. Ngayon ay